Hello, I am Oliver from Child Media, and today I'm going to be talking about Instagram. It's one of the biggest social media platforms in today's era, and brands use it to promote their content, celebrities use it to give you a behind-the-scenes look at their life, kids and general people just use it to communicate and have fun. There is one thing, however, that has baffled the community for ages. How do you post from a computer? This may be useful if you've edited something on your computer and you want to post it. You've made a video or GIF on your computer that you want to put on Instagram. But you can't. But you can. Let me show you how. Now, onto the computer. Okay, so the first thing you'll probably notice is that I am running macOS High Sierra. But this will work on Windows and Linux as well. Second thing you'll notice is my absolutely messy desktop. Yeah, ignore that. Yeah, so I'll be showing you how to do this trick for Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox. I believe you can do it on Internet Explorer, but I do not own a Windows device that actually works. I own like 4 Windows devices that used to work, but somehow just stopped working now, so I can't show you on that. I could probably get a virtual machine, but you know, but I'm going to be showing you Safari first. So, now we are in Safari, I'm going to go to the Instagram website and show that you cannot post. So, there's no button anywhere to post at all. So, that's where my trick comes in. What you want to do is press Command, comma, or click Safari at the top and then Preferences. That's what I'm going to do there. And it will open in general if you've never used Preferences before. So, I'm going to go to Advanced. And then you want to click Show Develop menu in menu bar. So I'm going to close settings now, and now you can click Develop, which just appeared when we clicked that. And then User Agents, and then Safari, iOS 11, iPhone. Now, as you can see, there is Home, Search, Posts, feed, activity, and profile. So, yeah, that's how you do it for Safari. So, right now I am in Google Chrome, and as you can see, it's like the same as like Safari. There's no post buttons or anything. So, it's a bit different for Chrome actually, because what you need to do, you need to install an extension. So in Google, you want to search for User Agent Switcher Chrome. And you want to go for the top one. I'll leave a link to all ones that work. This one, it's just at the top, so I chose it. So I want to click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. So I'm just going to press X on that. And now we are in Instagram, and I'm going to click this. And I'm going to click iOS, iPhone 6. I believe this works with iPad as well. And as you can see, post buttons. Now for the last browser, last but not least, it's Firefox. Firefox is the most difficult out of the 3 because each version, it seems to work differently. So whenever I try and do it, it works differently. So I'm on Firefox Quantum, so I'm going to be using this extension that I found. I'll leave extensions to all different versions in the description. And this is by far the best extension now, because it's just shows them all here. I'm going to say iPhone Safari. And then with Firefox, it doesn't automatically refresh the page, so you want to just hit Command R, Control R, F5, whatever is the shortcut for your computer. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share, and if you find this useful, yeah, just do it yourself. See ya.